Time for a new wheel. As you can see, this tire is basically new. But right here, ran over a little nail. Now I'm trying to sell it, no one wants a leaky tire.
I'm half the man I used to be. Well, I'm half the man I used to be.
You know the drill. Forgot my gauge, so we're gonna have to eyeball it. Got my hose. It's not doing anything. Start. There we go. Ooh, some valve stem caps. Nice. Those are heavy duty. I'll be looking like Vin Diesel if I throw those on. Another one. Found all three. Where's number 4? I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Ha. I'm always losing those things. Alright, so I figured this out from not having air conditioning. But if you roll these up, these two on your side up, and then you roll those two down, it makes like a perfect little vortex. And it blows right through your cheeks, keeping you nice and cool throughout the day. Continental Express! It's Nikola Tesla! 23.5, I think that's a new record. There he is, it's Nikola Tesla. Oh, that's a she. 23.7, can we hit 24?
But it's on the same old time is the deal. I'm going hungry. Yeah, burn out the town.
23.9, 24! Yeah!
Oh yeah!
I wouldn't mind driving that truck.
And you feel where we go, my boy.
Right, motorcycle parts and accessories.
Oh yeah.
Time to rip off this brand new tire and get a brand new tire. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's gross. New wheel. Looks pretty sweet. Ugh. You know, the more I've been looking at this, the more it looks like a xenomorph from Alien. just driving and Alien Ant Farm came on. And it reminded me that today is my brother Nile's birthday. So happy birthday, Nile. My favorite memory of Nile is when my mom spanked him. Or she didn't actually spank him. He was hanging out with his friends at home and he did something. I think my mom found out that him and his friends blew up a bunch of dry ice bombs.
Hey, record it.
Does it?
Yo. Here, hold up. I'll talk to you in a second.
Blow up! Blow up! Oh! That's like right under the trampoline.
They didn't get in any trouble, but my mom found out and she said, Nile, I should spank you for that. And so Nile, just in the middle of the kitchen, he has like 3 or 4 friends over and he just pulls his pants down. Like, he walks up to my mom who's sitting at the kitchen table and he just like put his butt in her face and pulled his pants down. And he was like, okay, Mom. And I don't think she actually spanked him, but she just like she just felt so awkward she got up and like left. But that was really funny. So thanks for that, Nile. Wow. I can't find Cold Stone. Got some grease. Yum. There it is. Freaking, it's like a mile away from where it says on the map. Thank you. You too. What happened? It was just 98 degrees. So hot. Oh my goodness. Oh, missed it. Dang it. It never rains like this in Utah. I'm hydroplaning. Am I really that sweaty?